Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic of discussion is servers. My name is Salam. I'm doing BS Environmental Science. Let's start our topic. Introduction. There is a brief introduction about this presentation. This presentation will explain brief introduction of servers. You will learn the basic type of server and how an internet server works. So let's come to the definition of server. A server is a computer or system that provides resources, data, services, or programs to other computers, known as clients, over a network. In theory, whenever computers share resources with client, they are considered as servers. Here are a few diagrams of server. How it works, or basically in this slide we will know that what is the main purpose of servers. So strictly speaking, the term server refers to a computer program or process. Through it, a device used for running one or several server programs on a network. Such a device is called a host. The service providing device is called as host. In addition, the devices which receive such services, which we call as clients. Alternatively, it may refer to a computer program that turns a computer into a server, originally used as server users. In the sense of obey today, one often says that server serve data in the same sense as give. For instance, web servers, web pages use or service their request. So we move next. Server. Here are a few definitions, few terms which we should understand about to further proceed. Server, a computer or device on a network that manages network resources and provides access to the host resources. Further, client use interface, communication interface to request resource. One machine can act as client and server. Browser, software communication interface that uses a Java virtual machine to process HTTP. Server software that requires and runs from a server. Standalone software that runs without a server, such as Word and domain, a group of computers and devices on a network that are administered as node. Now we will discuss types of server. Basically, there are several types of servers. We'll discuss few. Application servers, also known as middlewares, handles application operations between users and database. Audio video servers enable website to broadcast streaming and multimedia content. Chat servers, we know all that chat servers enable a large number of users to exchange information in an environment similar to internet. Newsgroup offer real-time discussion. IRC server, internet relay chat, enables real-time discussion capabilities. List servers offers a better way to manage mailing list, whether they be interactive discussions open to the public or one-way list that deliver announcement, newsletters, or advertising. Mail services, more and more mail over corporate network across internet. Name servers, also known as DNS servers, map the human readable names to the IP address. News servers, distribution and delivery source for the thousands of public news group accessible over the unset news network. Talent servers allow user to log on to host computer and perform tasks as if they are working on the remote computer itself. And what is print server also shares the maintains network. Printers can join the domain server, typically Ethernet hardware devices, and there are many more types of servers. There are a few diagrams. Proxy server diagram. Now the important part of this presentation is we should know the difference between web browser and web servers. Web browser is a software which is used to browse and display the pages available over internet, whereas web server is a software which provides these documents when requested by web browser. Here are examples of web browser, pictures of web browser in which we see Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, Internet Explorer, and here are examples of you can say that web servers. Working of now we will discuss the working of web server. Web server software is accessed through the domain names of websites and ensure the delivery of the site content to the request user. The software side also comprises of several components with at least an HTTP server. The HTTP server is able to understand HTTP and URLs as hardware. A web server is a computer that stores a web server software and other files related to websites such as HTML documents, images, and JavaScripts. And a web browser like Google Chrome and Firefox needs a file that hosted on a web server. The browser will request by the file HTTP. When request is received by the web server, the HTTP server will accept the request, find the content, and send it back to the browser through HTTP. Use the web servers, sending and receiving mails, downloading requests for file transfer protocol and files, and building and publishing web pages. Why we need servers? There is important. The server gives you more processing power. It supercharges your network, storing large chunks of data, freeing up memory, enabling individual pieces to perform better. A server allows you to set up new computers, add user, and deploy new application more quickly and easily. So, any questions?